How to delete Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then delete your Google account, all you have to do is first of all just try to launch any of the Google application here. Once you launch any Google app, what you want to do is make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, then just go to manage your Google account. Then once you come to manage your Google account, what you want to do is you will see this type of interface where you simply need to go to this option known as data and privacy. And once you come to data and privacy, what you want to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the screen. Then you'll find this option over here known as delete your Google account, so make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on the delete your Google account option, you'll be able to see this type of interface where you can simply actually enter your password in order to go ahead and confirm it, and then you'll be able to delete your Google account. This way you'll be able to delete your Google account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.